5 Best Vacuum for Stairs and Hardwood Floors Review. Number 1. Tyneco A11 Hero Cordless. Not all vacuum cleaners that you find on the market today will provide you with effective cleaning on both hardwood floors and stairs. However, the Tyneco A11 is an exceptional model that helps you handle all your house cleaning tasks. This machine comes with many great features that enhance its use. The brush provides an exemplary performance when it comes to deep cleaning. Not only does this vacuum cleaner work well on stairs and hardwood floors but also on carpets. As compared to other ordinary vacuums, this unit can provide you with 2.4% more power and 80% deeper cleaning performance. Number 2. Mazoot Cordless Vacuum 4-in-1. Make cleaning easier and faster with the Mazoot Cordless Vacuum. This is an incredible machine that can handle all house cleaning chores. It provides a great performance on hardwood floors, carpet floors, and marble floors, among others. The cleaner utilizes cyclonic filtration system that captures most of the allergens to give you clean and purified air. This 4-inch-1 vacuum cleaner can be used to clean various parts such as the sofa, car, curtains, stairs, and much more. It can pick dust in fabrics, pet hairs, residues, and children's food, among others. The machine is equipped with LED lights that illuminate your path so you can see clearly where you are cleaning. Number 3. Dyson Cyclone V10. If you are looking for a lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner, then the Dyson Cyclone V10 is ideal. This is a machine with a powerful vacuum so you can be sure that it will pick all dirt, debris, and pet hair on your floors. It removes up to 25% of dirt on carpets as compared to other vacuum cleaners. One of the major problems that many homeowners face when cleaning their hardwood floor is scratches from vacuum cleaners. This affects the overall look of the floor. This machine is gentle on your floors and very tough on dirt. It has a soft roller cleaner head with the brush bar that features a soft woven nylon, making it easy to capture large debris. Number 4. Hikeren 12,000 PA 2-in-1 Vacuum. This is another cordless stick vacuum that you can use to clean hardwood floors and stairs. It features a strong suction giving you a thorough cleaning all the time. It features an ultra-high power 120 watts motor that gives you 2 cleaning modes. This machine gives you enough power that is required to suck pet hair and dust on your hardwood floors. It provides you with 180-degree rotation swivel design, which makes it easy to clean almost anywhere since it is easy to maneuver. You can clean under the furniture, sofa, or bed without issues. Number 5. GOOVI Stick Vacuum 2-in-1. Cordless vacuum cleaners make cleaning easy since you can use them to clean various places with ease. When you want to clean the stairs, you need a lightweight machine with the powerful suction. In this case, the GOOVI Stick Vacuum 2-in-1 works well. This cleaner provides you with 4 times more power as compared to other machines. The machine has a lithium-ion battery that is rechargeable and provides you with up to 60 minutes of continuous vacuuming. You can use it in regular mode or suction mode when you want to clean bare floors, hardwood floors, walls, curtains, ceiling, and furniture, among others.